Stop playing Minecraft Study. Look at the serious face. Bro, you literally just come in only when I'm playing and then arguing why I'm playing all the time. Like, really. Are you blaming me for me to come on your stream as soon as you go online? Is that how you treat your viewers? I'm going to report you. Okay. Hey Sakura, hello. How are you doing? How are you today? I'm okay. Feel kinda tired, but pretty much okay. What about you? I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm good. That's nice. Going home after all day at uni. How's it your university? What do you study? Mechanical engineering. Whoa. I'm actually really love mechanical engineering. Like, not the technical aspect. I mean, I bought 3D printer and playing around with like mechanical movements is just so fun. It's so interesting. I enjoy it. Yeah, it's in fact really interesting. Like, every time there is something that surprised me. Yeah. I also recently had an interview, technical interview for a job. The printer is so cool. Yeah, like, no, it feels almost like an obsession. I like every time I have a free time, pretty much all I do is playing around with 3D printer. Several mentions that can make Hansi speak. Okay, I see. I'm actually kinda curious how long it will take after printing the gun. Probably, I guess it should not be like that restrictive. Like, how would they know? How was the interview? Oh yeah, so there are 2 rounds, technical rounds, for an hour, 1 hour each. On the first one, uh, it was like topic was algorithms, and I was solving one problem. Pretty simple problem. Like a function takes 4 points, and you have to return if it's a square or not. And after that, after I solved it, there was an extended problem where another function takes a large amount of points, and it should return how many squares can be formed with those points. I did it. Then there was a second round where it was mostly about concurrency. It was kind of stressing me out because the interviewer, like, most of the time I'm writing in Golang, a programming language, and it has like its own way for concurrency, and it's a way I'm usually familiar with. I'm like, in fact, I'm not really strong in concurrency, so yeah. And obviously, this man, he was asking me, like, he wanted me to create a solution more like C++ idiomatic solution. Yeah, it was really kind of stressing, but at the end, I started with how I would do it in Golang, and together we made a solution he was expecting from me. Yeah. Today, I got an email that I passed every round, and that there are also 2 more rounds, which are gonna be next week. Uh, one of them is data structures, and another one is what's it called, system design. Like, you need to, how would you manage a system? What things would you choose, and how you would connect them? I guess, I suppose. Interesting. Hell yeah! Oh shit, so many rounds. Yeah, that's like insane. I thought it's gonna be only 2, but turns out it's not. But as far as I understand, those are like final. Okay, there are gonna be, like, technically there are gonna be 3 interviews, but one of them is like just a talk with a team lead or manager. I don't know who is him, to be honest. But I guess it's like not something I should be afraid of. So yeah, and hopefully, if everything is gonna be okay, I'll be employed. And as far as I know, it's a pretty good company. I mean, I mainly hear positive things about it. Damn, I suck so hard at this parkour. Yay! That's so cool. Yeah, like, I'm really glad. Today in the morning when I got the mail, it was a great feeling. But I don't know, that feeling, that, like, the periods of waiting, they're just like so frustrating. I mean, I'm absolutely ready to get all the interviews like tomorrow, but I have to wait for a week or something. Wish you confidence on your bros. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I mean, honestly, I guess, I hope, concurrency was the most difficult one, and I should be able to pass everything else pretty much easily. I hope. Yes, it would be fun if I'm gonna be, if I'll become way too confident and then I'll lose like the easiest thing. How do I leaves fast? But the structures don't sound scary. Actually, it's kind of weird because I had algorithms topic, and now it's another interview, but now it's for data structures. But like, it's first time I've seen those topics separated because they are closely related, and it seems natural. I'm like genuinely curious what we're gonna do there. Like, I can create just data structure, but it's the simplest thing about it. The hardest is how would you use it, and that's already about algorithms. So yeah, we'll see. Uh, Maybe something with classes, polymorphism, or other cool words. I hope not, because like, I mean, uh, object-oriented programming is like sometimes funny, but I know making a whole interview around it. I guess it's gonna be more like some linked lists, trees, graphs, and probably the topic is just, I don't know how to say it, like, not lying, but don't tell the whole truth, and there are gonna be algorithms. Polymorphisms are the cool words. I'm actually kinda curious about like salary conversation, because I'm like, I never had one, and I'm not sure what is what should I do like to get the best results. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like, what salary do you expect to have, and I'll need to answer. I don't know, like, it's such an interesting topic. You can like think about it in so many ways. I died. 1 million. 1 million grains of sand. How's it? Is it grand? No, it's not grand. Wait a minute. Where is my mouse? What is the basic unit for sand? Damn. How do I do it? Oh, I'm playing right. Mm. Like, sand is made out of big amount of small, not sand, but like on the beach, you know, sand, not sand. Made out of a big amount of particles. Sand particles actually called that way? Aren't there like a single word for that? Small rocks, okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's good enough. Small rock sounds pretty nice. What I've been talking about, I really forgot. Grain of sand, yeah, right, grain. But what's the point? I just forgot what I've been talking about. It's so funny. About celery. Yeah, but how is it related to sand? Like, or okay, how sand is related to celery? That's my question. How have I come up with sand? Does you want $1 per year? Oh yeah, I see. Like you sold 1 million, and I was like, I come up with a silly joke like 1 million of grains of sand. Because I mean, 1 million in Czech crowns, it's like another salary for for a software engineer. It's not like something. If you're talking about per year. What am I doing? I fucked up. Jumping on ice is so funny. It's like it doesn't feel the same way as on regular blocks. Also, by the way, I spent some time. Give me a moment. Oops, I'm typing on the wrong layer. No way, I feel different. Yeah, like it's genuinely shocking. Check this out. Hmm? I know, I like them so much. How's it called? Krita? I know, I just wanted to create some simple panels And it was just so much fun. I created a bunch of them. I really, I really need to make a drawing stream someday. Making stuff is always fun, yeah. Like, I don't know, recently I've been kinda stagnating because, like, especially after the first interview. Where is Minecraft? I don't get it. Give me a moment. I'm clicking on the wrong scenes. Mm-hmm. That's ridiculous. Okay. Restart. What I was talking about? Yeah, so I've been kind of stagnating because, uh, especially after interview, I thought like, okay, I can just rest for a day, and I've been basically doing nothing but, I was doing nothing but consuming content. I was just watching YouTube videos, reading Reddit, and that's it. And it so easily becomes a habit. Like, consuming is so easy. It's like such an easy way to get dopamine, and like you don't want to do anything else. Delete YouTube, bro. But like, this, I don't have YouTube on my phone. The problem is that I have a browser. Oops, what have I done? Like, I don't watch YouTube on my phone. How? What is? Oh, okay. I guess. Yeah, nice. So, I mean, like, I have. Okay, I'm gonna. Like, I'm just about to fuck up everything once again, but like, I installed an extension. Come. Give me a moment. So I basically just get no recommendations, like absolutely none. And when I watch some video, when I search for it, there is no recommendation either on the right side. And it kind of helps, but I feel like I maybe need something more. Also, I kinda don't know how to explain it. Like, making scenes is a peak of satisfaction, but you still prefer to do something easier even though it doesn't provide the same experience, the same great experience. And it feels kinda odd, like why would it be that way? If creating scenes is clearly superior to consuming them, why brain just don't adapt to it and will create all the time? Hello, Infermigo. Haven't seen you in several years. How's it going? We've been talking about. Me too, how are you? It's been 6.9 years. How is everything? We've been talking about consuming and creating scenes. About, like, basically how brain is just so addicted to consuming, and neglects the creating stuff, although it's much more superior experience, much more pleasurable. Like, it's really weird. I don't know, because like, obviously consuming is easier than creating, but also creating is just feels much better. Brain doesn't think that way. Brain likes what it likes. Okay, but okay, you mean okay? We are talking about that part of a brain which is subconscious, right? The emotional one. And the point is, like, I don't know, maybe I'm just wrong about judging my own emotions, but it feels like creating is always feels better than consuming. So I wonder why it doesn't become a habit automatically to only create things. Creating requires more time and energy. Yeah, I guess. But I mean, like, it's a solid argument, but at moments when you really like the process, you just, I don't know, I feel like I lose absolutely no energy. Like when I was drawing my new panels, it was like several hours and they went like a minutes, and I didn't feel that. It like was so easy just because I truly enjoy the process. So I can't tell if it's like because of energy. What have I done? Uh, it was better when you created it, but you have to go through the process of creating. It's hard to begin. Okay, it's hard to begin, it's a solid argument. You're staying at a big wall that you need to climb. So it's about the start, right? The very beginning of the process. And it sounds pretty reasonable. Like, start. Like, when you consume things, you get feedback pretty much immediately. Consuming is, like, basically the feedback. Like, there is nothing more than feedback. And when you creating things, you have to come through the stage of start from nothing before you'll get something, I guess. When you start that, it usually goes better. Yeah. That that's right. But okay, if my brain knows that after starting, it will get that dopamine, that joy, why it doesn't reinforce it as a habit? It like would make sense. I guess it just takes more effort, right? You're getting dopamine right now. Yep. You're talking like about playing Minecraft, talking with you guys, or just existing. A heuristic can trick a brain. Maybe you know already. Like split into so many small steps. Yeah, it's so easy if you think. Sorry, I just saw the message from Migo. If you think I have to make a model and print it, it's Wagyu and big. Yeah, but you say it's get up, go to the PC, open it, open program, make new file. Yeah. In Minecraft. Basically trick brains that it's no big wall but small ones. Basically gaslight yourself. Yeah, like I heard it somewhere from some guy from YouTube from interview. Like that you have to be intentionally a little bit delusional, like always, pretty much all the time. It's like the best way to keep doing ambitious things. Here we go. What don't you like about playing Minecraft? Like, tell me. What is so bad about it? Like, okay, I never said I don't like Minecraft. You don't like me playing Minecraft, I see. Like, I can get it. Oh yes, there you go. Yeah, but why? Like, you didn't answer my question. Are you jealous? Let's be honest. Like, I see no other explanation. And I have a gaming PC. Yeah, but you clearly don't play it. Distractions. Yeah, but okay. Uh, Hear me out. Like, what were my other options? I have several tasks I have to do. One of my priorities is to redesign keyboard enclosure in a normal way, which will not break every time I try to modify it. And it's like so hard. Previous stream I tried to do it. I like was sitting for an hour to just uh, plan everything, because I already knew all the pitfalls I'll meet. I'll meet, yeah. Because I've been redesigning for several times already, and it's just impossible. I've googled for it. I asked Gemini. I did everything and I got no answer. And so clearly I have to spend much more time to it. I have to like dive deep into FreeCAD. I mean, honestly, FreeCAD is just such an unpleasant program to work in, but it's not like I have other option. And you see, I have to be like, to achieve it, I have to fully immerse in it and be really focused. And that means I would not be able to chat with you right now. I'm going to start Redemption too soon. Red Dead Redemption, like, is such a solid game. I would like to play it. Fortunately, I have MacBook Air. I'm just playing with you. Don't hate me. You got a new order? New to order? What do you mean? Like, keyboard? No, like, I mean... Are you talking about keyboard? My keyboard case in Minecraft. Guys, you ain't doing that easy. Keyboard case in Minecraft. I mean, technically, I can... Wow! That's such a genius idea. Create a mod which will take Minecraft structure and convert it into STL model so you can print it. Like, it will not have textures, but it will like simplify scenes for some people so much. Like, I imagine kids playing with it like like having it so fun playing with it. Like, we're basically using Minecraft just as a voxel engine. By the way, it's such, I don't know, sad situation with the CAD software market. Like, every single CAD software is private. It has closed source code and it costs just ridiculous amount of money. Like, I can't pay several $100s a month to be able to create 3D models. Like, that's ridiculous. No way it's so hard. It requires that amount of money. Like out of all uh, free option, I know only FreeCAD and SolidWorks. And SolidWorks is just kinda simple, way too simple. Like I can't even add fillets or chamfer there. And FreeCAD is actually how can I say it? It has a wide functionality, but it's just so counterintuitive. Like it's so uncomfortable to use. You can cause you're unemployed. Ouch. I mean, that's not the reason. If I was employed, I would probably not buy it. Like, I feel much better using shitty open source software, but knowing that it's open and people who make it just genuinely try to make it good and not earn money. I would really just use free software and donate developers to make it better. Like, KiCad, which I used for making PCBs, is just such a flawless tool. Okay, it has flaws, but I know it's so little. It's such a joy to use it. Even though I'm far from expert in making PCBs, and I still figure it out. So yeah. I just like to use good scenes. Yes, that. I don't know. I thought about that. Like, that's a good scene when scenes just work. You know, I have 140 tabs open. I'm curious, what do you have in those tabs? I'm thinking of getting a laptop of my robotics and embedded systems for my robotics. Let me show you. Okay, I hope it's framework. Framework 13 or 12 or 15, whatever. Like, it's really cool when scenes just work. But also, you like, how can I say it? You motivate the market to, you promote closed source scenes from the companies which try to just earn money and not make a software better. Like, clearly they upgrade their software, it gets better, so on, but it's not proportional to their money. Like, for instance, Adobe. Like, Adobe is just such a huge company. It has so many products like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, After Effects, like everything. And it's still so shitty. Like, I think their like revenues are just huge, considering how many it costs to how their cloud subscription costs. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna also be doing AutoCAD, so I need a good GPU. Yeah, probably you better. It has 4070. Bro, that's a bad idea actually. What am I doing? Is there a way to get in euros? Oh, I had. Euros. Wow! Wow! Is that for laptop? Aren't MSI bad? Uh, I have no idea. Like, I generally know that among popular companies, Asus probably is the best one, I would say. But I can't really be sure about it. But I would just buy Framework because you can always upgrade it. And also, as I said, having such GPU in a laptop is such a bad idea because I had a laptop. A gaming laptop, obviously, because I was a kid and I wanted to play games, and what can be better than play gaming laptop? It's such like horrible experience. It was, you see, it had like Radeon RX 560, and like obviously it's an old GPU for current standards, but I believe like current GPUs are much more powerful, but their power efficiency should be pretty much the same. Thus, their how can I say it? Their heat production should be also the same. And like it was so ridiculous to the point that like when I've been using discrete GPU, it was getting so hot it started to throttle right in the game. So regularly every 5 minutes my FPS was going down to 2 FPS for like 10 seconds until GPU cools down. And as you can imagine, it's just unplayable experience. Like really unplayable. To the point that integrated GPU was providing more FPS because it was just cooler, you know? So I would not buy a laptop with discrete GPU. I would rather, like, new Ryzen's has such a great integrated GPU. Like, Valve, the most popular company of game development, basically made a whole console out of it. Like, obviously, you know Steam Deck. And it uses integrated GPU, and you can run not all games, but most of them. I guess if you tweak around with settings, you can run pretty much all of the games. Okay, let me read. Xakura, I'm new to the laptop market. Any other suggestions? That's the only website I trust, to be honest, so I have range from... Okay, I said PKR, that's inside... that's Indian Rup, yeah. I'm buying the laptop purely for Linux. Buy Framework, bro, like... Okay, if you buy it for Linux, there are like only several options. It's Easy ThinkPad, right? Like ThinkPads are good, as far as I know. I didn't have one, but I've been comparing them. And the other option which I would prefer is Framework. Like you also can. Oh, you want 16, right? Then you probably better to wait because I guess they're just about to release a new GPU. Configure. Oh, you don't see. In Fermigo, I didn't really analyze the market for a while, but usually ASUS and Acer are best bet, yeah, but not for Linux. Like Asus Zephyrus, I would say, is solid laptop. Or Asus, Asus, right? Zephyrus. Like, by its specs, it's just so good. And as far as I know, it has a decent cooling. Like, considering it has 4070, it's still good. But I don't know, like I would really don't want to have how's it called? I always forget. Discrete GPU in the laptop. It's just, man, it's just so many trouble, like really. And integrated Intel AMD GPUs is just so good. Also in this laptop you can use discrete if you want, and it's swappable, so you can always upgrade it. Plus, like, Framework is just a great company. Like really, they're so transparent about everything they do. They make it such a good product. Yeah, they are a bit overpriced, but at least you're not going to buy a new laptop if you have some... How is it called? If you broke your screen. you know, like I'm telling like a person who don't have a lot of money to buy laptops, right? So I would probably I should be more careful about choosing one, and I would probably buy Framework just because of their goals. Like their the goals of their users is a priority for them, and I guess that's the most important. This is what I have from Acer. Check it out. Give me a moment. I should probably do it this way. Whatever. Acer Predator. I don't know, man. Like as I said, I had Acer, and man, it wasn't pretty. I fucking hate macOS. Like, what the hell is that? Why is it so terrible? Give me Linux. Okay, what have I just said? Yeah, like, it's a powerful machine, but why would you want it? 4060, I don't know. Like, also, I want to be clear, I'm not an expert. Like, I might be wrong. When I had a laptop, it was a terrible experience. Maybe now it's better. Maybe. But I wouldn't risk. Mm. I'm getting like I'm getting it in Pakistan. I need by this year, and Framework doesn't. The risk Pakistan said seriously. Yeah, look at the RAM. Where is it? Is it RAM? No, it's not. It's 32. Bro, it's like. Is it soldered? I'm curious. Because if it is, like in Framework, you can just buy uh, side RAM, like not from the framework, cheaply, and got 128 gigabytes of RAM, which is just insane. I like with such amount of RAM, you can run LLMs locally. Isn't it like, I don't know, amazing? It's not soldered, I think. You better check, really. I mean, it was several years ago where you could be sure that it's not soldered, but now it's different. Do you really need such a powerful GPU? I think I have that itch, okay? Yeah, I see. I mean, I had one. I don't know. Like, I feel good GPU is great until it's not. I'm not gonna be able to take my PC with me, so if I wanted to play some games. Okay, let's rewind just, I don't know, half an hour ago when you said that I'm playing Minecraft and was so anxiously angry about it. Also, I guess a good argument is that uh, if we take in a ratio, there are much more lightweight great games than heavy great games. I know, like lately, most of those super realistic with insane graphics games, they are just not that good. Like, they are okay, but I don't know, indie games just usually provide much more fulfilling experience. And with integrated AMD GPUs, you can even play not indie games, but a bit more serious one, like Red Dead Redemption 2. I would prefer buying something like Asus ZenBook, or how's it called, with an OLED screen. Because GPUs are pretty much any current option is good enough. Not GPUs, CPUs. GPU, I will just buy latest AMD CPU, which has great GPU. Like all of them has great GPU. And an OLED screen is gonna be such a level up for everyday usage experience. Like you basically all the time you're staring at your screen. I would say it's the first thing you should avoid. I also want to make games maybe as a hobby after 2-3 years. One, it's a fluency. Yeah, but you don't. It's like it's not that demanding. Do you know? Okay, it's gonna be a bit too funny. Do you know on what machine has Doom been created? Like my microwave is more powerful than that. I did. No, like really, you don't need. Like we're living at the time when most of the PCs are just overpowered, and you no longer need that amount to create scenes. Just management is the key. Like obviously, if you install Windows, it's gonna be a bit tough because it will like eat half of the system resources. Yeah, I'm stretching it, but still, like you can get the idea. But if you manage your environment pretty good, if you keep it neat, it's gonna be great. Oh, that's root? You mean root? What exactly is root? Have I said something rude? I don't think so. I think you're just gaslighting me. I almost did it. True, not rude. Okay, oh that's true. Yeah. I like I can no longer recall what exactly is true, but I'll just agree with you. Like obviously if that's me who said it, it's obviously true. Like who would argue about that? What a silly person. Not me, clearly. I hate this parkour. Like, also, I had to ask, how is my bitrate? Like, is it smooth enough on a stream? Isn't picture breaks apart? Is it, does picture break apart? Like, that's probably the correct way to say it. Doesn't what? Repeat, I was zoned out. I mean, is bitrate good? Like, is stream smooth? Doesn't picture breaks apart? Like, in all the moments when bitrate is bad and your picture is basically a huge chunks of pixels of the same color, and you can't distinguish anything. Because I mean, I'm just it's smooth as fuck. Seriously? Okay, thanks. I mean, like I have low FPS right now, So I feel it's a bit cluttered. And also, I like make so many rapid movements with my mouse. I thought about like how terrible it's gonna be on the stream. But I guess it's okay. Also, I've not been programming for such a long time. I have the deep urge to create some ambitious project, like something I've never done before. But also probably something, I don't know, useful. Like I thought about writing a compiler, but I don't know. Maybe virtual machine. I I died like at the last moment, very last moment, and I died. I hate it. Okay, I don't. It's actually pretty chill. I actually really enjoy it. Okay, hyperfocus. I'm getting it done. Okay, you know what? I want to play PvP. Just to add variety. That FPS is ridiculous. Oh, I have 30 FPS. Insane. No, I guess not today. I guess not today. Parkour sound the best I can do right now. Play some games for you, man, like Hot Potato at Hypixel TNT Run. You don't have to ask me twice. Or party games. Actually, I really love party games. Party games are cool. Damn, it's like, man, it's like a single island in the air with, I don't know, 100 blocks, and I have 60 FPS. What the hell is that? There is clearly something wrong about it, but I don't know what's exactly. Oh, I see. Potato PC. Yes, that might be the problem. Like, I can't tell for sure, but it sounds like a good guess. Okay, like, hear me out. The fact that I can stream and play at the same game is already like insane performance for this machine. Considering it has better life, like what, 12, 16 hours? I just hope it wasn't Apple and macOS. I just really hope I could use Linux natively. It would be so good. But it is what it is. Oh no, it's parkour. I'm about to fumble it. Check this out. Oh, I have increased speed. I was ready for that. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's another parkour. Why the hell is that? I wanna realize it. Like, I escaped parkour to just play parkours. Is it okay? Like, that's why you asked me to play party games. You know that you knew that that would be the. Damn, how is it called? The result, you know. Embarrassing performance. It was my plan all along. Yeah, I see. Now that makes sense. Here we go. They don't sound terrible at this. What a PvP. Insane gameplay. Is that the reason Minecraft is the most sold game ever? Oops, I died. Peak performance. 0. No, wait. The reason is because of kids. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I don't know hotkeys. I rebinded it to be able to use it without wheel, because wheel just works so poor. And now I have no idea. Yay! I have 1 star! The top 1 has 10 stars. Nice. Also, Sakura, what do you think? What do you see? Wait, there is something wrong. What do you think about keyboard cam? Like under my camera. Is it any good, or I don't know? Like, does it immerse you better into the stream? You're not like good at fuck you. Like, that's not what I have asked. I know. Okay, sorry. Sorry for saying fuck you, you know, but like clearly it was kind of rude from your side, as I never asked about how good am I at playing. Like some gamers. Yeah, but the point is that it's like not a regular keyboard, you know? And it should be like, I don't know, maybe some wow effect. Actually, it's also a bit harder because I'm playing on a newer version and Hypixel is 1.12. It creates a lot of friction. Oh, the second one! Yay! You're trying to be so polite. I'm not Twitch scum. Have common sense, understand what an internet is. Yeah, I mean, like, it's not. What have I done? It's not like I said that because I was afraid or something. I just genuinely felt bad about it. I shouldn't tell that. Like, yeah, it was more like in a joke, more said in a joke way, but still, there was no point. I died. Why would you feel bad? I don't know. It's just like it just happens. I can't really explain it. Like, it's not what I felt to you, so why would I say it, right? Like, it's kind of weird. What is wrong about you? Just be yourself. I mean, I'm myself. That's the point. It's not like I'm trying to be something, or as I said, I apologize because I was afraid or something, or I just genuinely felt bad, and because of that, I apologized. Because it was funny. That's why you said it. You're not wrong, but there are like dozens ways to be funny. Oh. Why? That's ridiculous. How do I... On the second one. It doesn't mean you should feel bad for saying something like that. Bro, like... I mean, okay. Wait a minute. What's word? Call block. Lapis block. Scissors. Oh. Wooden pickaxe. Okay. Or like, how's it called? Pickaxe? Oh, that's it? I'm the number one? No way. Ain't no way. Doesn't mean you should feel bad for saying something like that. Yeah, but that's the point. It's not like something they control, you know? It's not like, okay, now I want to feel bad about it. Oh, I'm doing the wrong scene. I saw it's gonna be like lava floor or something. Oops. I died. It was the most polite scene I heard today in the internet. What were the other scenes? I'm curious now. Right now. Have you played Dota 2 before entering the stream? Because that would explain everything. Maybe I don't know, CS? I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna ban you, like, why would I ban you? I don't want to get banned. I saw that comment from the far away. Not you. Okay. Like, I'm not really an expert in how Twitch moderation works, so you can encrypt it, you know, like, give me an elbow. I'm a sniper. I almost fumbled it. I'm not a sniper anymore. Second place. Okay, not bad. Oh. Right. Okay, I'm still top 1. Which is funny, considering how bad am I. Oh, it's the easiest game ever, isn't it? No, never mind. He saw it coming. Oh, one hit. I'm about to get top 2. Insane. Okay, I have a wrong version, so I'm my PvP is gonna suck. How? Top 2? Let's go, top 1! No way! Told you. Oh, I feel that FPS. This FPS is insane. It's 60? Whoa, why it feels like 15? I don't know. What a funny game. Okay, whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa! Insane, insane. How am I gonna survive it? Yep. Oh, I got top 1. The same as other 2 person. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. It was pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. Also was great to chat with you guys. Yeah, I'll just go eat and go sleep. Yeah, thank you for coming. So, see ya.